Are you ready to delve into the remarkable world of one of nature's deadliest hunters? With razor-sharp fangs and infrared vision, the pit viper is a master of both stealth and precision. Known for its lethal venom and lightning-fast strikes, this snake is the stuff of awe and nightmares. But did you know that it can also reproduce without a mate, or that its venom has incredible medicinal properties? Get ready to be both fascinated and terrified as we explore the incredible world of pit vipers, one of evolution's greatest achievements. Make sure to watch till the end for the truth of Brazil's infamous Snake Island. 1. Infrared sensors. The pit in pit viper. In the murky darkness of the jungle, pit vipers rely on a pair of special organs on their head called pit organs, which are located between the nostrils and the eyes. These organs contain heat-sensitive receptors that can detect the infrared radiation emitted by warm-blooded prey, such as rodents and small mammals. The pit organs work like a pair of thermal cameras, allowing the pit viper to accurately locate prey, even in complete darkness or when hidden by foliage. The heat signatures detected by the pit organs create a thermal map in the snake's brain, which the snake can use to strike its prey with deadly accuracy. The sensitivity of the pit organs of pit vipers is remarkable. They can detect temperature changes as small as 0.003 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to the difference between 2 points on the same hair at room temperature. Pit vipers' ability to sense infrared radiation also helps them avoid predators. Since the pit organs can detect the body heat of potential predators, pit vipers can detect and avoid larger animals, such as mammals or birds of prey, that might pose a threat to them. 2. The strike of death. With lightning-fast reflexes and deadly accuracy, pit vipers are some of the most fearsome predators in the animal kingdom. When they strike, their movements are so quick that they are almost impossible to see with the naked eye. With speeds that can reach up to 80 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour, these snakes are able to strike their prey or defend themselves from danger in a fraction of a second. Their strikes are not only fast but also precise, allowing them to deliver a lethal dose of venom. For their prey, the experience is sudden and overwhelming, with no chance for escape. Even the most skilled and agile of animals are no match for the deadly strike of a pit viper. 3. Deadly precision. In a heartbeat it will take your breath away. Even at these velocities, pit vipers strike their prey with unparalleled accuracy. But how do they do it? The answer lies in their incredible sense of hearing, which allows them to pick up on the faintest sounds of their prey's beating heart. With this remarkable ability, pit vipers can pinpoint the exact location of vital organs, such as the heart and lungs, and deliver a lethal bite in a fraction of a second. By targeting these organs, pit vipers can quickly immobilize their prey and prevent it from escaping. It's a deadly dance between predator and prey, and the pit viper is the undisputed master of the hunt. 4. Pit viper fangs, evolution's most lethal weapon. These marvels of nature have a remarkable fang design that allows them to control the depth and angle of their bite. The fangs are long, hollow, and connected to a venom gland, allowing them to inject venom into their prey. Unlike other snakes, pit vipers' fangs are also hinged, which enables them to fold backward when not in use and move independently of each other. This design gives them greater control over their bites, allowing them to deliver venom precisely where it is needed. In addition, pit vipers have the ability to move their fangs forward and backward in their mouths, which allows them to adjust the depth of the bite based on the size and location of their prey. This precise control over their fangs is essential for hunting and subduing prey effectively. 4. Deadly alchemy, the versatile venom of pit vipers. I know, at last, what all of you have been waiting for: venom. Pit vipers have a unique venom gland that produces a complex mixture of toxins, each with specific functions. For example, some toxins are designed to immobilize prey quickly, while others are used to prevent blood clotting, making it easier for the snake to consume its meal. The venom can also vary between individuals and species, allowing pit vipers to adapt to different environments and prey. Interestingly, some pit vipers can even switch between venom types depending on their feeding habits or the season. This versatility in venom production is one of the many factors that make pit vipers such successful predators. 5. Deadly medicine, from toxin to cure. The venom of pit vipers contains a complex mix of enzymes and proteins that have been found to have a wide range of medicinal properties. One of the most well-known uses of pit viper venom is as an anticoagulant, which helps to prevent blood clots from forming. The venom contains enzymes that break down fibrin, a protein involved in blood clotting, and can be used to treat conditions such as deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism. In addition to its anticoagulant properties, pit viper venom has also been found to have potential uses in treating heart conditions. Some of the proteins in the venom can interact with receptors in the heart to cause vasodilation and reduce blood pressure. Research is ongoing to explore the potential therapeutic uses of pit viper venom in treating a variety of other conditions as well. It is important to note that while pit viper venom can have potential medicinal benefits, it is also highly toxic and can be deadly if not used properly. Any attempts to use pit viper venom for medicinal purposes should only be done under the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. 6. A poisonous paradox. Some species of pit vipers, such as the Mojave rattlesnake, have developed a unique resistance to their own venom. This is because their venom contains a neurotoxin called Mojave toxin, which can cause severe muscle paralysis and respiratory failure. The Mojave rattlesnake has evolved a specialized protein that binds to the toxin, preventing it from entering the snake's own cells and causing harm. This adaptation not only protects the snake from accidental self-poisoning but also allows it to use more potent venom to subdue its prey. Other species of pit vipers may have similar adaptations to protect themselves from their own venom. 7. The warning strike. With a flick of its tongue, the pit viper prepares to strike. But as the perceived threat draws near, the snake decides to hold back, delivering only a dry bite to its attacker. These calculated moves are all part of the pit viper's defensive strategy. Pit vipers have the ability to control the amount of venom they release, which means that they can deliver a dry bite if they feel that it will be enough to scare off the threat. Dry bites are often accompanied by a loud hissing sound and a defensive posture, where the snake will coil up and prepare to strike if necessary. Despite their deadly reputation, pit vipers play an important role in many ecosystems, helping to control populations of rodents and other small animals. However, it's important to remember that these snakes should be treated with caution and respect, as their venom can be extremely dangerous to humans and other animals. 8. Lurking predators. Waiting motionless, concealed in the shadows, they are the masters of deception, their eyes fixed on their prey, their fangs ready to strike. The rattlesnake, with its hypnotic rattle and piercing gaze, is one of the most notorious of these masters of ambush predation. This hunting strategy used by some pit vipers involves them remaining motionless in a camouflaged position until prey comes within striking distance. When prey is close enough, the pit viper will quickly strike with its long fangs, delivering venom that subdues the prey. This method is highly effective and allows pit vipers to catch prey much larger than themselves. However, it also puts them at risk of being discovered by predators while they wait for prey, so they must carefully choose their hiding spots. 9. Sensing victory with a secret sensory weapon. We couldn't miss mentioning the pit viper's acute sense of smell, which is an essential tool for locating prey in their environment. They use their sense of smell to detect chemicals in the air that are released by their prey, allowing them to track their target over long distances. In addition to their sense of smell, pit vipers also have specialized sensory organs called Jacobson's organs, which are located on the roof of their mouth. These organs are used to detect chemical signals in the environment, such as pheromones from potential mates or chemical cues from nearby predators or prey. 10. Cloning a new generation. Asexuality in the wild. Parthenogenesis is a form of reproduction where an organism can produce offspring without fertilization by a male. Some pit vipers, such as copperheads and cottonmouths, have been known to reproduce asexually in the wild, although it is rare. This process occurs when a female pit viper's eggs undergo a process called autogenesis, where the egg cells divide and develop into embryos without being fertilized by a male's sperm. The resulting offspring are clones of the mother, and they possess identical genetic material. The ability of pit vipers to reproduce asexually has several implications for their survival and population dynamics. For example, in isolated or fragmented habitats where males are scarce or absent, parthenogenesis can allow females to produce offspring and maintain their population without mating. This adaptation can also enable pit vipers to rapidly colonize new areas, as a single female can establish a new population without the need for a male. However, parthenogenesis also reduces genetic diversity within a population, which can make it more vulnerable to diseases, environmental stresses, and other challenges. Overall, the ability of pit vipers to reproduce asexually is a fascinating and unusual aspect of their biology, which highlights their adaptability and resilience in the face of changing environmental conditions. Snake Island, Ilha de Queimada Grande, where the world's deadliest and most endangered snake lurks. In the tranquil azure waters of Brazil's coast lies an inviting tropical paradise, but hidden deep within the emerald jungles of Ilha de Queimada Grande, Snake Island is a predator that strikes fear into the hearts of all who know its name, the golden lancehead pit viper. Viewer warning: none of the vipers in this film are golden lancehead pit vipers. This small, isolated island off the coast of Brazil is home to one of the world's most dangerous and endangered snakes. The golden lancehead pit viper has developed unique characteristics over time, making it different from other pit vipers. Rumors swirl about the snake's venom, with some claiming that it has the power to melt human flesh. The mere thought sends shivers down the spines of even the bravest souls. But while the venom can cause significant tissue damage, it does not literally melt flesh. Its venom is highly potent, capable of inflicting severe pain and causing swelling that can quickly lead to death. Despite its fearsome reputation, the golden lancehead pit viper is not immune to the threats facing its survival. The snake's population is estimated to be as low as 2,000 individuals, and habitat loss and the illegal pet trade continue to pose significant dangers. The island's fragile ecosystem is easily disrupted, leaving the golden lancehead pit viper with few places to call home. But all is not lost. The Brazilian government has designated Ilha de Queimada Grande as a protected area, and dedicated researchers are working tirelessly to learn more about the snake's behavior and venom. They hope that their efforts will lead to the development of new treatments for snakebite and other life-saving medicine that has the potential to save millions of lives. It's a testament to the importance of preserving our planet's incredible biodiversity, and the potential for even the most fearsome creatures to hold the key to life-saving treatments. For now, the golden lancehead pit viper remains a vital part of the island's ecosystem and a topic of fear and mystery. As the battle to protect this rare and remarkable species continues, one thing is clear: the golden lancehead pit viper may be a fearsome predator, but it is also a creature to be respected and protected. As we conclude this fascinating journey, we are left with a sense of awe at these powerful serpents. They are truly one of nature's greatest masterpieces, with their deadly beauty and incredible abilities that have evolved over millions of years. From their heat-sensing pit organs to their sophisticated venom delivery system, pit vipers are truly remarkable predators that command respect and admiration. While their venom can be deadly, it is also a source of valuable medicine that has saved countless lives. By studying pit vipers and their adaptations, we can learn more about the natural world and discover new ways to improve our own health and well-being. So the next time you come across a pit viper, remember to appreciate its beauty and power, but also to give it the space and respect it deserves.